Tesla has long been a leader in EV range, even if the outright range record is currently held by the 520-mile Lucid Air. In this pairing, though, the Model Y is king. The base dual-motor Model Y long range delivers 318 miles of range, and the Model Y Performance will cover 303 miles between charges. Tesla's extensive supercharging network should make it easy to find somewhere to fill up, and V3 superchargers can deliver up to 250 kilowatts charge speeds. For years, Tesla has been the go-to for buyers who wanted anything electric. The automaker was the only player in the electric SUV space for some time, while the rest of the industry got its bits together and delivered something competitive. Thankfully, the space isn't as monopolized now as it was just a couple years ago. Performance. The straight-line performance of early Teslas did wonders in developing the brand's legend and establishing Elon & Co. as builders of vehicles desirable beyond their emissionless powertrains and impressive range. Although not as outrageous as the Model S played, the Model Y is still plenty quick. Tesla claims the Model Y long range will hit 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds, and the full-fat 456 Model Y Performance accomplished the same in just 3.5 seconds in our testing, which places it among the quickest SUVs on sale. On paper, it's clear, considering its superior range, faster charging, better performance, and additional passenger room, the Tesla Model Y is our winner. Of course, the specs alone don't cover differences in the ownership experience, build quality, and dealer experience, or lack thereof. For more on these two, check out our experience with the Model Y and our first drive of the Audi Q4 and Q4 Sportback. As for which one we'd rather own, we look forward to a proper comparison to find out.